Alright, what's up, Mug Gang? We're in Shin's hood right now. We're in Irvine, and he's taking me to this shabu spot that's supposed to be really good. Shabu and barbecue, right?
Miyabi.
Miyabi. We're about to get some shabu shabu for the Mug Gang. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we just ordered. I got the ribeye with the udon and tonkatsu miso. It's pretty cold in here, but hopefully it's good to warm us up. That Miyabi, not to be mistaken with Mr. Miyagi. Let's see this far. Food is here, guys. Veggies, tonkatsu, miso, sukiyaki. Got the sauces on deck. The main dish is here, choice ribeye. The rice. What'd you get, Shin? What is this?
Prime ribeye.
Prime ribeye. Let's dig in.
I just put everything in.
Just put everything in. Hey. I like to do mine one at a time, you know?
I put my vegetables on at the same time.
Oh, okay, yeah, I do that too. Look at this. Fire. I like putting all my vegetables in first, so it gets some flavor into the soup, you know what I mean? Alright, got tofu. What is this? Cabbage, broccoli, cornbread. Oh no, this is the cabbage. Right here, right there. And then we just dip our meats in like this. Steaming and hot. I like my meat a little bit rare. Don't leave it in too long. Let's see. Is this rare enough? No, that's a little bit too rare. Okay. That's what I call perfect rareness right here. Dip in the sauce like a boss. The meat is really tender. There it is. Can't forget the udon. Put that in there. We'll try some of Shin Sukiyaki. So this is the sweet soy sauce broth. You're not supposed to really drink it, you're supposed to just dip it in here.
I was at college. Oh, yeah. I was like playing volleyball and like, I wasn't like drinking. Everything in moderation, like, yeah. So, we had a couple shots because the other girl that works here, she's eating.
I really like the sukiyaki here, guys. Sweet, tangy. Good broth too, it's like savory and sweet at the same time. It's really good.
I've learned how to.
This fish cake right here. Ooh, what the hell? What's in here?
Salmon rolls.
It's like the baby eggs. How would you rate that place? 1 to 10. Miyabi, not to be mistaken with Mr. Miyagi. How'd you rate it?
That was a good 8.
8? Yeah, I was just gonna say that too, like an 8. Wasn't anything too special, just your average shabu shabu. The meat was pretty good, but yeah, I think if I had to choose, I'd do Hailao. I really like Hailao. We're gonna go there next, right, Shin?
That's Dancing Noodles.
Yep, Dancing Noodles. There's also a location here. Yeah, so this is just a little casual food review and vlog. So you guys want to see more, like this video, comment where we should go next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces.